Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a charming clay pig, step by step. First, gather your materials: a good amount of clay, a sculpting tool, and a small bowl of water. Begin by rolling a smooth, round ball of clay. This will form the main body of your pig. Once you have a nice sphere, gently flatten one side to give your pig a stable base to stand on. This makes it much easier to work with. Next, let's give our pig its distinctive snout. Take a small piece of clay, roll it into a tiny ball, and then flatten it slightly into an oval shape. Attach this to the front of the main body. Use your sculpting tool to gently poke 2 small holes for the nostrils. For the ears, form 2 small triangles and carefully attach them to the top of the pig's head, pressing firmly to secure them. Now, let's add the legs and tail. Roll 4 small, cylindrical pieces of clay, about 1 inch long, for the legs. Attach these evenly spaced underneath the pig's body, making sure they are secure. For the tail, roll a very thin piece of clay, perhaps 2 inches long, and gently curl one end. Attach this cute, curly tail to the back of your pig, pressing it firmly into place. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Use a damp finger to smooth out any seams or rough spots on your pig, giving it a polished look. You can add 2 tiny clay balls for eyes, or simply use your tool to make small indentations. Once you're happy with your creation, set it aside to dry completely. This might take 24 to 48 hours, depending on your clay type.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.